Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your Metamask wallet. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to acquire your Metamask wallet, and from here you will need just to go and search for Metamask, and you will need to go to metamask.io. Make sure that you are on this website, and then you will need just to click on the website, or you can directly click on download from here, or you can click it from here. So I'm using Chrome, so I will just click on MetaMask, and now it will take me to the Chrome web store so I can add the MetaMask extension. So after adding the extension, I will have it here on my web browser, and basically now I will be able to start uh, setting my MetaMask wallet. So from here I will just create a new wallet. If you already have one, like some Exodus wallet or any other wallet like the Phantom one, etc., you will need just to agree on that stuff. You add a password for your wallet like that, and I'm just going to add. And from here, I will just click on create a new wallet. And now I will just remind me later. So I can no need for adding other steps. And I will just click on got it, next, and done. And now I can simply start using my MetaMask. So basically, we'll just go to your extensions from here. You click on MetaMask, and you will have your MetaMask that will be showing here. So this is your wallet now, and basically I will just click on X, and from here you can buy and sell, send, swap, and see your portfolio. So if you want to buy or sell any token, you will need just to click on buy and sell, and it will take us to our portfolio. And basically, if you want to buy any token, you will need just to search for the token that you would like, and you will be able to buy whatever you like. And from here, you sell your tokens, either Bitcoin or anything else. And of course, from here, you can swap your tokens. So you will swap, for example, from uh, uh, Bitcoin, or you will swap anything that you would like to another token here. So basically, when you just to select the token, you connect the wallet, and you will be able to swap. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.